Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really special to unbox. We got the 12.9-inch M1 iPad Pro. Apple released it a couple weeks ago in the spring loaded event and it really took me by surprise. I was expecting a, upgraded A chip, but wow, they put the M1 in the iPad Pro. I'm super excited. I know that by this time, a lot of the bigger reviewers on YouTube have already gotten their hands on it. I'm guessing you probably have seen some of their videos comparing the performances of the fully spec'd out M1 iPad Pros. I actually got the regular version of the 8 gigabytes of memory. A couple of reasons. Number one, past couple of years, I have never complained that my iPad Pro could not handle whatever task that I was using it for. The A series chip has been optimized so well for the machine as well as the iPad OS that every task that I've been able to do has been functionally very smooth and reliable and performed flawlessly. And number two, I think one of the more important reasons to judge the capability of the device is not only to see what the max spec'd out version can do, but also to see what it can offer with the base feature, right? iPad Pro, I know there by itself it already is a relatively more advanced device, and by having an M1 chip which has had such good reviews on all of the Mac and MacBook Air, MacBook Pros that has been released this year, I have a lot of confidence that it will be able to achieve really great performance on the iPad. And number three, actually my primary reason for getting a new iPad is my curiosity for the new screen. I am really excited of being able to have this new technology in the iPad in such a capable body. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Here it is, the 2021 M1 MacBook Pro, the good old reliable pull tab. Here we go. Okay. Ta-da! Pull tab, lift the goodie up. We got paperwork here, USB-C to USB-C cable, and we got a 20-watt charger over there. Here it is. Here I got it set up in the brand new color white Magic Keyboard. I'm really loving this color combination so far. Space gray iPad versus the very white, very bright Magic Keyboard. Very contrasty, loving the pop of color. I'm excited to try it out. I'll be sure to update everyone how I feel after trying it out. I am very excited with the new M1 chip, so please subscribe to the channel and keep an eye out for the following videos. Thank you again for tuning in for this short unboxing. I'm very happy and honored to be able to bring you guys along with this unboxing. I'm very excited. Hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video.